If you're seeing a Krita plugin error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your plugin working again without the guesswork. This is especially useful if a plugin won't show up, won't load, or seems like Krita is ignoring it completely. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, let's confirm the plugin type, because this is one of the biggest reasons Krita plugin errors happen. Krita only supports Python plugins. It does not support C++ plugins or Photoshop.8bf filters. So before you do anything else, make sure the file you downloaded is actually made for Krita and written in Python. If the plugin was designed for another app or another plugin system, Krita simply won't be able to read it. Next, open Krita and go to Settings, then Configure Krita, then General, and open Python Plugin Manager. This is where Krita controls which Python plugins are enabled. Find your plugin in the list and make sure it is toggled on. If it's turned off, Krita will not load it, even if the files are in the correct folder. This step alone fixes a lot of plugin issues, so always check it carefully. After enabling the plugin, the next important step is to restart Krita completely. Don't just minimize the app or keep it running in the background. Close it fully, then open it again. Krita usually needs a full restart before a new plugin can register properly. If the plugin was just added or just enabled, skipping the restart can make it look like nothing happened. Now let's check the folder path, because the plugin location matters a lot. Krita plugins must be placed in the Pykrita folder. If you put the plugin in the wrong directory, Krita may never detect it. Also, do not place it inside an extra subfolder. That can hide the plugin from Krita and make it look broken, even when the files are technically there. Keep the folder structure clean and make sure the plugin is in the correct location. If the plugin still doesn't seem to appear, check where it may have been added in the interface. A lot of Krita plugins do not show up as a big button on the main screen. Instead, they appear under Tools, then Scripts. So if you're looking in the wrong menu, it can seem like the plugin failed when it actually loaded just fine. Always check the script section before assuming there's an error. Now let's verify the file structure, because this is another common cause of a Krita plugin error. The plugin folder should contain a .desktop file and a matching Python folder or a .py file. The .desktop file is especially important because Krita usually won't recognize the plugin without it. If that file is missing, misnamed, or not in the right place, the plugin may not show up at all. So if your Krita plugin is not working, use this checklist in order. Confirm it's a Python plugin, enable it in the Python Plugin Manager, restart Krita fully, check the Pykrita folder path, look under Tools and Scripts, and verify the .desktop file and Python files are all in place. Following these steps usually solves the issue quickly. If this guide helped you fix your Krita plugin error, please leave a like, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos, and comment below if you want help with a specific plugin problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.